So we've arrived in Czech, now called Czechia, in a town called Krumlov. Very touristy. Hardly any locals live here compared to how many tourists come in and out here. And yeah, it looks stunning. You know what I'm thinking? Eyeing out a spot for the drone.
Feel free to bother me. It's not only me, it's not.
Perfect conditions for the drone. Look around us. We are covered by that barrier over there, so no mofos can tune us and see us. There is open space and wall, and check this view. Come over, look at this view. Look at that view. We're gonna get the drone flying over there, over that, over water, over no people. It's safe.
And then you're gonna get arrested.
And then I'll get arrested. That was a really cool flight, except for the fact that I'm losing a lot of signal from the remote controller, which is seriously bumming because my flying distance is significantly reduced now, so that's a bit crap. Hence why whenever I fly I'm always really close to where I take off, so that's a bit of a worry. It's happened since we had the drone in my carry-on luggage. Fuck off. $5, what? So, Prague today. We obviously went through the city last night. It was storming and it actually ended up being quite a crazy night. We wanted to go out drinking. The beer here is really cheap and really good, but it ended up storming and we actually stumbled upon something very funny. But yeah, I'll leave that. Yeah, so today's our full day, full free day, so really stoked about that. Obviously our tour's been really rushed, but that's what they are for, I guess, to see as much as possible in such a short space of time. Yeah, and now we got our own day, our own free day to ourselves, and hopefully it's a good day. So it's been 2 weeks since we started our trip. I think we've racked up about 150 kilometers of walking. Calves and feet are pretty sore, but still strong. Tickets succeeded. So we are currently in Vysrehad. We actually found out about this from a guy we follow on YouTube. What's his YouTube channel? Honest Guide. You should follow them if you're interested in coming to Prague. Really good reviews. It's the least amount of tourists I've seen in the little bit we've been here. It's more of a local hangout, and yeah, it seems like a cool place. Where we're going to now, this one was I think done in the 10th century, so a ton of history around us. Have have to be a bit quiet here. Not a major fan of cemeteries, but I think a lot of important people were buried here. A lot of these graves are from 18th century, 18th and 19th century, so a lot of important Czech people were buried here. Yes, I have this bag on. The GoPro was in the bag that's in Hungary, Budapest. Cheers. This is our second beer. Top was one. Very local.
I'm not drinking beer.
It's quite a cool spot. We're going to get some kebabs now. The nice thing is that sunset's really later, like with most of Europe in summer, and so you don't have to worry about like rushing all the time, because we can do a lot of the touristy things after lunch, after this little chill session. Okay, what do we have here, Dross?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah, I got called to say chicken is ready. And
what is that?
Have, mushrooms with spinach inside. So that's that. I'm gonna try now.
That's where we were just now. Vysrehad. Now we're here. Alright, but we're at Prague Castle. This is the main attraction. And yeah, let's check it out.
You know I'd rather be alone, but then you call me on the phone.
Body equals wreck. To getting a whole lot less people, I would definitely say come in the afternoon. The mornings I think are way more chaotic.
But then you call me on the phone.